In this video, I will show you how to convert grams into pound in Microsoft Excel. So we have to write this formula to convert your grams into pound. So and convert. Double click on it and select this cell for gram column, comma, type the G, comma, and type here LBM. Then closing bracket. So this is the formula. Convert first cell for gram, type here letter for grams, and this is the shortcut for pounds, LBM. So type it, then press enter. So this way you can convert grams into pound in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.